Welcome to the Magic Station channel. Today, I'll show you how to make a crochet cookie keychain or bag charm. I'm using 25 grams per 70 meters yarn and a 2.2 millimeter hook. First, make a magic ring. Work 12 double crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight and join the round. In the second round, make increases. Work 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Work 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Join the round. You should now have a circle of 24 stitches. Now we'll crochet the petal round. Skip the first stitch. In the second stitch, work 7 double crochets. Skip the next stitch. In the following stitch, work a slip stitch. Repeat this pattern 6 times. Then crochet the remaining 4 petals. That gives us the first layer of the cookie. Make the second layer the same way, but using white yarn. For the third cookie layer, make a magic ring. Work 24 double crochets into the ring. Repeat the petal pattern. Now we have 3 same-sized cookie layers, and we'll sew them together. What do you think of this design? Let me know in the comments what you would improve. And here is the cute keychain I made. Add beads for decoration, however you like. Thanks for watching, and thank you for the like.